Hey friends, Zach here. I'm currently at Skidaway Island State Park just south of Savannah, Georgia. It's right on the coast, and as you can see behind me, it's a fairly gorgeous park. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make some food. I'm thinking a salad and maybe some eggs. I do need to clean that pot real quick, or that pan. Anyways, after that, we're gonna go ahead and find some trails to take a look at. This is probably the worst part about living out of your truck, if you will. It's one of those things that has to get done, but there's no dishwasher. And even if I had a sink, it really wouldn't be too bad, but I guess the trick would be to just do it, which is what I normally do, honestly, is I do it right after I make food, but I guess I got a little bit lazy. I'm also running very low on water. This is literally all I have left. Even though I have my 5-gallon jug, there's nothing in it. So I guess I gotta get through the day with this. We'll make it happen, no problem. All right, well there we go. It ain't perfect, but I'm making some food now, so that's gonna do just fine. All right, friends, here we got our salad. We got some peppers, tomatoes. We'll get some avocado ranch dressing on there. We'll mix that bad boy up. There we have it. The easiest of lunches right there. All right, I'm gonna get these strawberries cut and my eggs cooked up, and we'll be good to go. So I was getting ready to cut each one of these strawberries in half individually, and then I figured out, it's just absolute genius work here. Look at that. Now I'm ready to eat. All right, we pretty much got everything ready. Our salad's ready, fruit's ready. Now it's time for the eggs. So out of the gate, I was thinking egg sandwich, but I don't know. I gotta stick with the typical egg tacos. There we have it. That's some pretty damn good looking eggs right there. We'll get our hot sauce and we'll make some egg tacos. We got our salad to go with it. We got some nice strawberries. We're living large. Look where we are. This is crazy. We're doing our thing, middle of nowhere. All right, friends, well, I finished my meal and it's now time to go and see the rest of this beautiful park. But before I do, I think there's a lot of area here to explore. So let's take a look. All right, friends, well, I'm at the trailhead here of Big Ferry Trail Loop right here. And as you can see, it's gonna go out and come back here. It's about 3 miles, it says. So I'm gonna grab my hat, grab some water, and we'll set off. All right, friends, well, I'm looking at this map here, and it looks like we have this big ferry trail that's 3 miles, which I'm about to do. And then after that, we have 2 more that are 1 mile trails. So I think we'll try to go ahead and get all those done today. And I have some snacks with me, so we should be good to get it all done in one go. And yeah, I just gotta grab my hat, get these shoes tied, and we'll be good to go. All right, friends, so I'm taking my last sips of water before I set off. I have everything I need. Got my maps, or the one singular map for this really small park. It's not that big of a deal. Then I got some fruit, and I got my bag and some more water. All right, it's about time. We're packing up and heading out. Starting off this hike here with this pretty straight tunnel. I believe there's a watchtower ahead, so we're looking forward to that. And here we are, the watchtower. Here we are up on the watchtower. And unfortunately, this is only the 2nd story. For some reason, the staircase, which should be right here, is not there. So, you know, we only get 2 of the 3 stories, but, you know, it's better than nothing. Maybe we'll just have to break out some additional views, like this one right here. All right, friends, well, here I am exiting the bridge to the watchtower. You know, it definitely was a little bit disappointing, but we made it work. We got the views in that we needed to get, and we're back on the trail now, and we'll keep trucking along. Now this right here, this looks like a nice place to eat some mandarin oranges. All right, friends, here we are. We got 2 more trails, 2 more miles, and then we'll call it a day. Well, it looks like we got another good spot to take a nice little water break, get some food. All right, friends, well, I'm back at the car now after those amazing 3 trails, and the day at Skidaway Island State Park was fantastic, to say the least. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.